Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials ready. Install or open the scanner and grant camera permission so it can access live video. Once done, make sure battery saver is off and the lens is clean for sharp capture. Position your phone at arm's length, steady it, and center the barcode in the viewfinder box. You're starting the scan now. The app will usually focus automatically, so give it a second to lock onto the bars or QR pattern before moving to the next step. Now you focus on technique. Align the barcode square so it fills roughly half the screen and keep the phone parallel to avoid distortion. If autofocus struggles, tap the screen where the code appears to force focus, then hold steady for a clear capture. Use the app's flash or add light if the label is dim, and avoid glare by angling slightly. Once the image decodes, the app will display the result. If it doesn't, retry with minor distance or angle adjustments to improve contrast. Finish by checking the decoded information and choosing an action, copy text, open a URL, or export to inventory. If the scan fails repeatedly, retry with more light or switch to a different scanner app that supports the barcode symbology you need. Make sure the label isn't damaged. If it is, manual entry may be necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the camera or app, clean the lens, and try again with steady hands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.